Welcome to MindFitness Analytics, where brainwave data transforms into meaningful mental health insights. Understanding your client's mental state has never been more precise or intuitive. Let's explore how MindFitness translates complex brainwave data into actionable mental health analytics. The brainwave data is presented in real time according to the functions of mind, which makes it easy to understand the real-time brainwaves with the subjective experience. The brainwaves are classified according to the frequency of mind functions into thinking, cognition, emotion, attention, sensation, feelings, energy, intuition, reasoning, understanding, self-awareness, mindfulness, and consciousness. The analytics platform further classifies the brainwaves into 5 key dimensions of mind functioning. 1. Calmness Report. Give a percentage report on how much calm or stressful in real time. It shows the functioning efficiency and the state of thinking, reasoning, and understanding by analyzing mind wandering and instability in these mind functions. It shows mental health conditions like overthinking, anxiety, and judgmental issues in real time. 2. Mental Security Report. Provides a percentage score by evaluating cognitive, emotional, and attentional stability and wandering in real time. It gives us the percentage functional efficiency of our cognition, emotion, and attention. It can identify real-time mental health conditions and disorders like cognitive disorders, cognitive dissonance, emotional conditions like fear and sadness, and attention disorders, etc. 3. Well-being Report. Provides a percentage score on the functional efficiency of our sensations and feelings. It can identify conditions and disorders like oversensitivity and feelingless. 4. Spiritedness Report. Monitors stability, wandering and order of intuition, and energy. It can identify conditions like being unintuitive and less energetic. 5. Self-conscious Report. Provides a percentage score for self-awareness, mindfulness, and consciousness. It is the overall dimension of person's mind, and it can identify real-time instability, wandering, and disorders in self-awareness, mindfulness, and self-consciousness. Each dimension is analyzed in real time and presented on our intuitive dashboard with color and percentage grades. Score classifications: green, good, 85 to 100%, means optimal functioning. Blue, normal, 70 to 85%, means healthy range. Yellow, concerned, 35 to 70%, indicates needs attention. Orange, afflicted, below 35%, indicates requires intervention. Red, severely afflicted, below 20%, indicates needs immediate professional intervention. The platform provides real-time score updates, trend analysis across sessions, pattern recognition for early intervention, progress tracking over time, detailed session reports. All analytics are processed locally for complete privacy, compliant with regulations, secured with end-to-end encryption, real-time with immediate interventions. Understanding these analytics enables you to make data-driven treatment decisions, track intervention effectiveness, identify subtle patterns, adjust treatment strategies in real time, document progress objectively. MindFitness Analytics integrates seamlessly with your existing assessment tools while adding quantitative precision to your practice. The system continuously learns and adapts to provide increasingly accurate insights into your client's mental state. Start using MindFitness Analytics today to bring scientific precision to your mental health practice. Visit mindfitness.app for your free trial to discover how real-time analytics can enhance your practice.